That just came off.
Yep.
It's just a little bit snowy outside. I don't know.
No idea.
I'm getting 4K video of this. It's like the best quality video.
It's actually really funny.
I hope it's not broken. Should I put his hazards on or something?
Probably.
What is she doing in a dress?
It's in a dress.
Is it broken?
No, I just need to figure out how to put it back on.
Well, I got a 4K video of you doing it.
That's great. Can you turn it off and look up a video maybe? Can anyone see the light?
It's
Nope.
red, and that's green.
Ours is red.
It is?
Yeah, it's red.
It's the only one that's in the middle.
You can tell at the top.
Where are we?
This is
South Boulder.
Oh. I have no idea.
We've traveled for miles.
So if there was an emergency at work, would you go?
If someone asked me to, probably.
Oh, we're by the Centaurus.
Yeah.
Ah, gotcha. Yeah, no idea.
This road's pretty plowed.
Yeah.
Although,
Probably slippery.
well, people are just riding in really interesting places because the tire marks are in the bike lane.
Yeah, but it's not like there aren't any bikes out right now.
Hey, be surprised.
Well, Adam probably rode his bike to work today. It's crazy that you can barely even see that car right in front of us. Suddenly jealous of all the people that are in Mexico for spring break.
I'm not. This is way more fun than Mexico.
Thought I was gonna get at least a little bit tan.
Is this the one that goes through?
Yeah. Well, you have to turn left up there. Up there, right there.
What?
Can't see anything.
I think we're on the road.
Nah, you are.
Just everything is the same color. I have no idea.
Happy birthday, Mrs. B.
So there's the gas station up on the left. Let me go over this big mound of whatever. And then that's consumers.
Made it.
Yeah, they're open.
That's so crazy. Hello? What's up? We're driving around. I'll ask Jonathan. I'm assuming you didn't go to work? Oh, you went to work. Okay. Cool. Well, I'll talk to you in a bit then. Okay, bye. Is that a down tree?
Yeah,
Tree down.
part of it anyway. There's more to come.
Ooh.
Damn. Well, this is why I love driving a Jeep anyway.
It's literally just you and Subarus out here.
We got them beat.
Uh-oh. Looks like a fire truck, maybe? Oh no, it's a tow truck or something.
There's a backhoe.
Well, you could turn right here because it's a Centaur Village.
Driving down Baseline now, seems like everyone's on their way out of Boulder. We are idiots going in the opposite direction, but there is nobody in front of or behind us, so that's pretty interesting. It's supposed to subside in the next 6 hours, which is comforting. I mean, 6 hours, right? How much worse could it get? Really just out looking for anyone that might need a hand before we call it quits for the day. scrub didn't wave at me. I'm kind of pissed. I think we'd honestly be better off just staying in Louisville. King Super's parking lot.
There might be someone. Oh, maybe they ran right into the
Fence?
yeah. Yeah, that's an accident, I think. No. It's just the person helping the other person. Maybe.
Should we try to assist?
I don't know if we can assist that one.
It does kind of seem like they just managed to get off the road.
Yep. Plowed right into that fence. No wonder there's so much traffic.
Well, you get overconfident. I mean, you can see how slow I'm going.
Yeah. How many feet in front of you can see?
30?
Unknown Subaru Impreza. It's green.
It's great. Okay. We are taking a gander at what Main Street in Louisville looks like right now. Because we thought it would be something that looked familiar for everyone, for comparison's sake. They're doing a pretty good job plowing, actually, but because it started raining last night, there's just a sheet of ice left in certain spots, it seems. The road by our apartment, 95th, is closed for at least a portion because some cars slipped off the road, it would seem like.
Sweet Cow's closed.
Yep, we can't get any ice cream.
Kind of want ice cream. Is that weird?
Hey, but the bar is open. That's the important thing. I'll let this person go. Oh, they're turning.
I wonder where they just went to eat.
Yeah, I don't know where these people are going.
Oh, it looks like Huckleberry is open.
I mean, the plowing has been pretty good. And Main Street looks like it's pretty good. Some extreme confusion happening in front of us. I think that guy's hitchbacker is not rated to carry something that heavy.
There's a guy waiting for the bus.
I wonder if Waterloo's open. That's important too. 12 degree. A lot of these places are open.
Well, most of the people probably live walking distance to open.
Oh, Sweet, this guy's taking pictures. Just doesn't seem like it's letting up at all.
We still got 5 hours till it's supposed to.
And it's getting colder again now. Oh my gosh, there's a dog up there that's running and jumping.
Dogs probably love it out here.
Are all the fire trucks missing? Look at that dog.
Looks like 2 out of the 4 are gone.
It's so happy.
Where's the Louisville Middle School?
We've now helped 2 people get unstuck. Pushing, I might add. My legs are frozen solid and wet. But I feel good. I don't think we're helping this person. Yeah.
I don't think that he should be going anywhere.
Wonder if anyone needs rides to the hospital. It'd be so cheap, like. We don't know any nurses.